Good morning everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to start unit 2. In the last video also I started unit 2, that is marketing environment, but sound problem was there, so you couldn't have understood what is marketing environment. So today also I will repeat unit 2 session 1. The name of session 1 is meaning and importance of environment. So let's study. Here is the diagram of marketing environment. We can see in center the organization, and in internal circle suppliers, public, competitor, customer, distributor and dealers, and outside circle there are economy, demography, cultural forces, social factors, political structures, technical and legal structures. So these are marketing environment. Environment simply means the surroundings, and marketing environment means the environment, the surroundings in which marketer works, in which marketing activities happen. So that's called marketing environment. So this is the diagram for factors of marketing environment. We can study the definition and meaning from here. In last video also I tried to show the same pages, and I discussed marketing environment, but voice was not clear. So here we can study again. Two definitions are given according to M. Wemer in the words of Keith Davis, and third more definition Philip Kotler defines a company's marketing environment consists of factors and forces outside marketing that affect its marketing ability to build and maintain successful relationship with target customers. So that's marketing. And also here is the meaning in this paragraph. First paragraph it is given, marketing environment consists of numerous factors and forces close to company which affect its ability to serve and satisfy its customer for their needs and requirements. So simply environment means factors and forces which affect marketing activities. That's called marketing environment. So here is the brief introduction of the last video which I discussed. So again also I discussed in brief meaning and definition of marketing. Now next topic I am going to discuss here is types of factors and forces in marketing environment. So here are some factors and forces are given. We can study from here. In the last page it is seen here, there are certain forces that can be controlled to a large extent by management of company. They are called internal environment factors. So we can say there are two types of factors, internal and external. Just remember there are two types of environmental factors in marketing. These are first internal factors, second external factors. So internal means the factors which are inside the organization. So these are certain forces that can be controlled to a large extent by management of company. These are called internal environmental factors. So in this diagram, which are internal factors? These are the circle which is inside: public, competitor, customer, distributor, dealer, suppliers. These are internal factors. Next, here it is written, which are generally related to product design, volume of production, procurement of raw material, employment of labor, doses of financial investment and expansion plan of the firm. Okay, beside this, the 4 P's. We can also learn 4 P's of marketing. Product, price, place and promotion are also controlled. We can also learn 4 P's, means the words which start from P. Product, price, place, promotion are also internal factors. Internal factors are those which are inside the organization and a management can control them. Okay, next, from next paragraph we can see another type of marketing environment which generally cannot be guarded, means controlled by management of company. It's called uncontrollable environment. Okay, this also affects marketing policies and strategies of the firm to a great extent. So the next factors are uncontrollable environment or external environment. These are those factors which can't be controlled by the management of a company. These are called uncontrollable environment or external environment. Next, we can say the external uncontrollable environment consists of factors at two levels. Okay, we can say external environment is further divided into two categories as micro environment and macro environment. Okay, we can say there are two factors, internal, external, and externals are further divided into two categories, micro and macro. As we know, micro means small, macro means large. So micro environment consists of forces or elements that influence marketing and business directly. It includes supplier, customer, intermediaries, competitors and general factor public. Macro environment includes demographic, economic forces, political, legal, socio-cultural, technological forces which are beyond the control of the firm and also affect business indirectly. So micro which can affect directly, and macro factors which are large, which are out of control, they affect indirectly. So today I have discussed factors of marketing. Okay. Next I will discuss in next video. Thank you.